Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. This is the Artistry Design District, we're here at the B1, it's our 2-bedroom. We're just gonna do a quick walkthrough, about a 1-minute walkthrough. So look at the kitchen's stunning. Now this has a blue tone, blue paint. It's a little bit different color scheme than the other side. This building has this kind of tone, and then the other building that we were at filming earlier has more of a brownish look and feel. So anyway, just a little bit about that. You can see there's a lot of space in here in the living room. The bedrooms are super separated, so you're gonna have privacy. You're gonna have features like this great built-in desk that's here, the island that's here, lots of good space. This is really built for entertaining well. You've got inside here a really nice bedroom. This is a king bed. And it's very, very nice. You've got a lot of window space here too. Everything's bright, light. You got just tons of space. I love those built-ins that are over there. And then we go into here and you've got a dual sink, lovely, lovely mirror, lighted, and then a walk-in shower. And that is a walk-in closet too. You've got some good space in there. So this is just a quick preview of this beautiful 2-bedroom. It's a B1 at the Artistry Design District. Hey, the best thing to do, honestly, is to send me a text. That's my number below. Just say, hey, Grant, I'd love to do a text. I'd love to do a virtual tour of the artistry. We can start out with that. That's easy. And go from there. We can do actually the artistry, but you can also request to see other apartments because we serve all the best apartments in Houston. We can set up a 3 or 4 apartment tour on the same day. So happy to do that over text. We can do it live as well. Why don't you say hi to me, use that number below, and we'll just go from there.